Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to reset a speed twin commercial washer, fast factory reset and diagnostics guide. Method 1. Basic power reset. Step 1. Turn off the washer. Step 2. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Step 3. Wait at least 2 to 5 minutes. Step 4. Plug the washer back in. Step 5. Turn the washer on and start a new cycle. Method 2. Reset using the control panel. Step 1. Turn the washer on. Step 2. Locate the reset button on the control panel. Step 3. Press and hold it for several seconds. Step 4. Release the button when the display or indicator lights reset. Step 5. Start a test wash cycle. How to enter diagnostic mode. For TR5 and TC5 models, Step 1. Unplug the washer for 30 seconds. Step 2. Plug it back in and wait about 10 seconds. Step 3. Turn the cycle knob 180 degree opposite from the normal eco position. Step 4. Press and hold the start and pause button. Step 5. While holding the button, rotate the cycle knob back to the normal eco position within 5 seconds. Step 6. Continue holding start and pause for about 2 seconds. Step 7. When all lights flash and the washer begins beeping, diagnostic mode has been activated. For FF7 and TR7 model, Step 1. Unplug the washer for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Step 2. Within the first 5 minutes of startup, press the temp button 2 and white button 7 buttons together to enter diagnostic mode. Step 3. The display will show a status code such as FL when the test mode is active. Step 4. Use the numbered test buttons 1 to 29 to manually check components like the motor, drain pump, door lock, water valves, and sensors. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.